little critter that's kind of made his way up here. We don't know where he came from, but he's right over here. Let me show you this. This will freak you out. I call him Drummy, if you know what I mean. Let's check him out. Come on. You know that chicken stew we're making? Oh, you threw that pancake. Well, that chicken stew we're making, I think if we run a little short, we have an answer. There is a solution right outside the window. Yeah. Show a little rooster fish eating a pancake. Oh, yeah.
Oh, I dropped my bread. Roll.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh yeah, there you go. Come on inside. We'll have a little surprise for you. It's called a spatula. It's called some breading. Have a little rooster fish on our salad. Hey chicken, what's cooking? It's me, Mr. Lopan. Hey, come here. Let's kid around a little bit. How about a little rooster fishing? Come on, let's dance. Let's do a little dance. Okay, Turtle, you go get that. You go get that rooster. Turtle attacks the rooster. Get him! Tear him up, Turtle! Oh, yeah. Yeah, I'll smell like, oh, he took the bread.